Hey babes, it's me, Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, back again to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. If you're new and you like what I do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and then tap that notification bell so you're notified each and every time that I upload. And for all those returning, welcome back. You guys are in for a great treat. Sit back, relax, grab a snack, and let's go. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to open is actually my bracelet. I think this is my bracelet. I did an unboxing. I think I put it up on my Instagram. And if you're not connected to me on Instagram, it is browngirlbella on Instagram. So I think I unboxed this there. And I wore it for like a day and a half. And then the bracelet broke. I'm not sure how or why it broke, but when I was talking to the sales rep, she did inform me that the David Yurman aluminum bracelets, which are the newest ones, I think he just took them down from his website, which is why I had to go to an authorized retailer to get this. But she did inform me that the aluminum bracelets are very delicate, and so maybe I put too much pressure on it. I'll probably need to take them off when I go to sleep at night. So in any case, they wrapped it back up for me, which is beautiful. The retailer that I got it from is London Jewelers, so they gave me some tissue paper, and they rewrapped it in a nice box with their bow on it. Really beautiful presentation, I must say. And then, oh, they gave me one of their pouches. So this is one of their pouches. Here she is. She's back again. So she said to open it like so. Oop. I think it's this way. Okay, so I opened it a little, and then I'm gonna slide my wrists through, and then I'm going to close it, not all the way because I am going to take it off later tonight, so just a little bit more, like so. So that's how she told me to wear it and to be very delicate with it, so I will, and I'll take it off tonight along with my pink one, I don't want that one to get messed up either. So thank you, London Jewelers, for fixing my bracelet and sending it back to me so quickly. I'm leaving for another trip next week, and I wanted to make sure my bracelet was ready for that trip, and now it is. So next we have this huge box from Sephora. I don't know why they're doing such huge boxes now, but this is the second box that I got from Sephora, and they both were huge. So let's open her up, and I will go through what I got. First thing that I got was something from Jo Malone. This is their lime and mandarin candle. And I haven't bought a Jo Malone candle in a long time, and now I have two. So this is the green almond and red currant, the pink and green one. And they discontinued this, so They don't have any more. But then this one, oh, I can smell it through the box. This is so good. So here is the lime, basil, and mandarin. Oh, such a fresh, clean scent. It smells like you are outside in a beautiful floral garden. That's what this reminds me of. And you all know I am a total candleista. The other thing that I got is another one of my Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Masks. I love this to put as a last step before I go to sleep. It helps retain and add more moisture to the skin. And when I wake up, my skin just feels and looks so amazing with this product. So had to get another one. Also got the new cream from Rio de Janeiro. This is the Bella Flora Beja Flor Elastic Cream. Beja Flor Elastic Cream. It's enriched with retinol. It has mimicking cacao oil and plant collagen. So it's supposed to add elasticity to the skin and really give your skin a more youthful look and feel. So excited to see if this works, but I do love their Bum Bum cream, so I just had to get that as well. I also did do a little bit of damage at Ulta. Oh, that candle smells so amazing. I forgot how wonderful the throws on Jo Malone candles are. I'm gonna have to start buying more and just stocking them up. I got from Ulta, I mainly just picked up some more of my skincare that I was missing. So this is the Good Molecules BHA Clarify Gel Cream. Love this cream. I got the Black Girl sunscreen because I'm out, so I wanted to pick up another bottle. I also got the Nude Sugar by Toni Braxton. This is called Luminous Splendor. It evens the skin tone, it brightens and hydrates, and it has glycolic acid and backed with 100% sugarcane derived squalene. So let me show you what it looks like. Nude Sugar by Toni Braxton. Interesting. Cute, cute, cute. We'll try that as well. Okay, so here is day number 5. I just opened it up. And here is the treat. And like I said, I'm going to give her one. And this is kind of stiff, so I don't know if she's going to be able to. What? You think you're getting another one? She still has more of that one. She loves this one. Look at her. 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 Well, if you're eating that one, you can't eat the other one. You see this heifer? She's eating day number 2's cookie. So I'm going to take day number. Give me that. I'm going to take day number 5 back because she wants day number 2's cookie. Because it's easier for her to eat. Look at her go. She loves it, y'all.